Hi students, we are continuing with the drama The Tempest. We will be discussing here the Act 5, the second part. Okay, so I have a request here. Please do revise the portions what we have covered, otherwise you may lose the connection. So at time you revise and do the exercise work in your workbook. So let me start with the next part. So we have discussed till Prospero brought all the people near to his cell, and he is revealing himself that he is Prospero. And see, already till here he is commanding, Prospero is commanding Ariel to go to the ship and awake the boatswain and the people and bring them near to Prospero's cell. That is what the command, and Ariel replied that I will come quickly, just your heartbeat twice. That was the answer. Gonzalo, every pain, trouble, surprise and amazement exist here. May some heavenly power guide us out of this dreadful place. So Gonzalo is not understanding it is Prospero, and he is cursing the place. But he is saying every pain, every trouble, surprise and amazement exist here. So what is the speciality of this island? It is filled with pain, it is filled with trouble, it is filled with surprise, and it is filled with amazement. So and he is praying to God, may some heavenly power guide us out of this dreadful place. So let God take us out of this dangerous place. Prospero, behold, O King, Prospero, the wronged Duke of Milan, assures you that a living person is speaking to you. I embrace you with my arms, and I offer to you and your companions a cordial welcome. Now, Prospero is saying or revealing himself to Alonso, the king of Naples. What he is saying? Behold, so this is me. Who? This is me, Prospero, O king. O King Alonso, this is me, Prospero, the wronged Duke of Milan, the thrown out Duke of Milan. Assures you that a living person is speaking to you, and this is my assurance. I am alive, I am not dead, I am not a spirit. I am alive and I am a living person is speaking to you. I embrace you with my arms, and I offer to you and your companions a cordial welcome. And now I am here. I am the I am the ruler of this island. I here offer you a warm welcome to this island. Alonso, whether you are really Prospero or some enchanted spirit sent to deceive me, as it has happened of late, I do not know. Your pulse beat like that of human being. After seeing you, the illness in my brain, which I fear was some kind of madness, has improved, and all this requires a strange story to explain, if it in fact is not a dream. I hereby resign from your dukedom. I also beg of you to pardon me all my misdeeds, but I would like to know how Prospero is living in this place. So what Alonso is saying, whether you are really Prospero, so he even, all the people have a doubt. All the people has a doubt that all these are spirit or not. So Prospero he is saying, I feel like that you are a spirit, because I believe that already something happened to me, to my companions. So this is a spirit who come to cheat me, or he come to trouble me. And you are, but I feel that your pulse, your heart beats like a normal human being, but still I have some trouble, I have a doubt. So if you are Prospero, I want to say that I already resigned from the dukedom of Milan, and you can take it. Prospero, first, my noble friend, let me embrace you aged self, whose honor cannot be measured or limited. Now Prospero is addressing Gonzalo. He is saying, my dear noble friend, my noble servant, come and embrace me and hug me, because you should be, what to do? Your honor or your mercy should be measured. Okay, because mercy cannot be measured, because you were so kindful to me when I was in trouble. You were the only person, you are the only person that helped us. So Gonzalo, I cannot be sure whether all this is real or dream. Even Gonzalo asked out whether he is Prospero or whether he is a spirit or a human being. Prospero, you are still under some delusion in this island, which does not permit you believe in the reality that is now in front of you. I welcome you all, my friends. So what are you saying? Prospero is saying, you are still under some illusion. You are still under my magic control. So you feel so. What do you feel? You feel that it is not real. That is now in front of you. In front of, because of my magic, you are here. And I welcome you all. So I brought you, and he is indirectly saying, I brought, with my magic, I have brought you all people here. And that's why you all are here. To Sebastian and Antonio. But as for you two lords, if I wish, I could call upon King Alonso to look upon you with anger and prove that you are traitors. Now, however, I will refrain from doing that. So here Prospero is reminding Sebastian and Antonio about the plan they made to kill Alonso. So he is saying, but as for you two lords, but for you two, Sebastian and Antonio, if I wish, I could call upon Alonso to look upon you with anger. See, if I wish, what I can do? I can change the mood of Alonso. I can reveal the things what you made. Okay, what you planned, I can reveal to Alonso, and that I can prove that you are traitors, you are cheaters. Now, however, I will refrain from doing that. But now I am not going to do that, Sebastian. The devil speaks through this man. Sebastian is saying, he is murmuring that the devil speaks. He is a devil. Okay, Prospero. No, as for you, most wicked sir, whom to call you my brother would mean soiling my mouth, but I do forgive even your worst crimes. I demand my dukedom from you, which I know that I have no choice but to restore it to me. Okay, so now Prospero is saying, no, I am not the devil. You are the dirty devil, because you did the most crime, or the most, what you can say, unforgettable crime to your brother, not to others, to your brother. But I am ready to forgive all the worst crimes you did. Okay, I demand. But what you have to do in return? You have to return my dukedom, which you are not eligible to be the duke. Alonso, if you are really Prospero, tell us how you were saved, how you met us here when it was only 3 hours ago we were shipwrecked and drifted onto the shore. I lost my dear son Ferdinand on the sea. My pain is acute, indeed, while remembering that my dear son Ferdinand. So he is saying, if you are really Prospero, and he is saying to Prospero, if you are really Prospero, if you are the real Prospero, what do you have to do? You have to say to us, how did you reach in this island? Only 3 hours before we reached here, because our ship was wrecked, and we had drifted. You was taken by the sea to this, the waves to this shore. And what I had some great loss. I lost my son. I mean the grievance. So you have to explain what all happened. Prospero, I am sorry for it, sir. My loss is irreparable, and patience is if no avail. Alonso is saying. Prospero said, I am sorry for all what happened. Alonso, so you can say sorry, but I cannot suffer my pain, because it is more than my patience is if no avail. Okay, my patience cannot afford. So my forgetfulness or my brain cannot, or my mind cannot forget all these things, because it is more than that. Prospero, I think you have no patience, whose gentle comfort for a similar loss I have had it itself, and I am quite content now with my loss. So I think you have no patience. Prospero is saying, I think you don't have patience, whose gentle comfort for a similar loss I have had itself. So for the similar, I lost something. Okay, I also lost, but I had patience. For the similar thing, I had a great loss and you had a great loss. For the similar thing, what he is meant this year is he is going to lose who? Miranda, because Miranda is in love with Ferdinand. That he is going to lose. That is what he meant. He lost his daughter. So he is going to say, he is going to reveal that your son has taken my daughter, the heart of my daughter. That is what he is going to say. Okay. So I also have the similar loss, but I don't have any problem. I have patience to suffer. And so you have had a similar loss. So what the similar loss you have, Prospero? My loss is recent and similar to yours. To take my loss bearable, I have much lesser means than you have to comfort you, for I have lost my daughter. So I told already. So what he is going to say? My loss is recent. This is recently happened. My loss. What? I have lost my daughter. Alonso, have you lost your daughter? Oh heavens! I wish they, your daughter and my son, be both alive in Naples as the king and queen. I wish instead I was buried in the same grave in the sea where my son lies buried. Where did you lose your daughter? So Alonso is saying, have you lost? Alonso is wondering, have you lost your daughter? How it is? Oh heavens! I wish. So he is praying to God that I wish I wish my daughter or your daughter, whose daughter? Miranda and Ferdinand, let them be the king and queen of Milan or the king and queen of Naples, let them be alive. And I wish instead. So he wishes that what he wishes, let him be buried in the sea instead of his son Ferdinand. Where did you lose? He is asking, where did you lose your daughter Prospero? In this last storm, I perceive these words are so wonderstruck at this encounter that they lost their sense to reason. They can hardly believe that what they see and hear. But no matter how much they have lost their senses. I assure you that I am Prospero. I am indeed that very Duke whom was banished from Milan. Under strange circumstances, I landed on this shore where you have been wrecked to become its ruler. So he is saying, they lost their sense, or I lost my daughter in the last, what was the last storm. Okay, and all of these people have lost their sense. Okay, so here I am offering you, or here I am revealing myself that I am the Duke of Milan. Okay, so by my luck or my good deeds I reached in this island. Well, no more of this for the present, because it is a chronicle. So I don't want to explain about it because it's a story. It is not a story which cannot be told at breakfast or at the very first meeting. I welcome you, sir. This cell is my royal court. I have a few attendants here, and I have no subjects in the outside world. Look inside, sir. Since you have given me back my dukedom, I would repay you with something equally good. At least I can create a miracle to please as much as my dukedom has pleased me. So he is saying, well, so it is a chronicle, it is a big story, it is not to be told in the breakfast. You leave that, what all? Okay, the cell, you come here, you come to my cell, you come to my room. It is my royal court. I have some few helpers here. I have no subjects, I don't have people outside world. Look inside, since you have given back my dukedom. So since the king has given back the Milan, okay, the dukedom of Milan, and he is offering that I have a good news, or I have a miracle for you. You come and see this. Okay, the entrance of cell opens and discovers Ferdinand and Miranda playing at chess. So when he opens, who opens? When Prospero opens the door of the cell, all can see what Miranda and Prospero both are playing chess. So here we are stopping. Okay, so once again I am reminding you that read it properly, and if there is any doubt, if my explanations are not okay, please comment and I will clear it in the next class. And please do revise the chapter, and we will be seeing in the next video. Thank you.